Now, this latest fire at the Riverton dump comes 3 years after the last major one. So, what has changed? TVJ's Janella Precious takes a look back at the pronouncement, the promises, and some of the issues which have plagued the site over the years.
The last major fire at the Riverton dump was in 2015. One Gleaner columnist called it a disaster of historic proportions. So huge was the fire that firefighters from as far as Montego Bay were called in to help extinguish the blaze, and more than 600 people were treated with respiratory problems. Then, Executive Director of the National Solid Waste Management Authority, NSWMA, Jennifer Edwards' leadership was under scrutiny.
I'm going to ask you to respond to criticisms that you are incompetent.
I do not accept that I am out of my reach or that I'm incompetent. I accept the fact that I am managing a disposal site that is 55 years old, that needs a lot of resources to bring it up to current day standards, and that those resources have not been possible under the current arrangements that we have in the country.
Her contract was not renewed. Before that, the Riverton dump had been on fire in 2005, 2006. The 2006 fire continued into 2007. There was a fire again in 2008, 2009, 2010, 2012, and 2014. The issue of security, a recurring one surrounding all the fires.
Have been some human intervention that would have caused the entire dump to be on fire in such a quick time.
My first fire at the landfill. When I arrived, there were literally hundreds of people on the landfill. When I asked why were they there, they say whenever the landfill burn, it is work.
You don't have the time for go light it because what? Of them hustling ground where they make them money daily. A man can get up on this morning and put on him dirty clothes and go down there. A 6, 7, 8, 9,000 for the day. So why a man not gonna jeopardize that?
To date, no one has been arrested or convicted for arson. Relocation of the dump has also been a major talking point over the years.
Easier to move the dump than try and fix it and start over at a new site where you do not allow things to become as bad as they have in Riverton.
Cannot be moved, and we then don't give we no settlement, then don't tell we where they're going to put we. If it's further into the dump or up in the sky, we cannot move until we them thing there. No, tell we say them push we off of the dump and we go where? You see much mongrel picnic down your handicap and we? You don't see we favor dump, where we are going to go?
Then there were proposals for a waste-to-energy project.
The previous government had for quite a long time project where MOU was agreed on, a waste-to-energy project, which was languishing, but which we intend to ensure that we develop.
That and this promise.
We're going to be running pipes underground, and should a fire occur, we are then going to be able to help ourselves way before the fire engine gets there.
Which takes us back to the current fire now seemingly under control. It is clear, however, that the authorities continue to be haunted by old issues. Janella Precious, TVJ News.